sing the song that makes us so happy.
Yeah.
We could
Dance!
Hello and welcome to Skyline Gangs Fans ATM how-to video. In this video today, we're going to be showing you how to make a deposit at a Lloyds Bank cash machine that's not specifically at a Lloyds Bank branch. Now, we are at Morrison's in Grays, and actually Lloyds Bank have actually put an ATM that statistically, will work for any other bank cards around that particular area. So deposits are accepted for all major bank cards, especially anyone who banks with Halifax as well, because Lloyds Bank is and Halifax are both part of the same group. So yes, basically what we're going to do is this applies to anyone who wants to make a withdrawal. Well, no, obviously withdrawal, which we're definitely not going to be doing. We're not going to be doing the cash withdrawal. We're only going to show you deposit at this rate. But what we will do at some point, we may do it, but at this rate for now, we're only doing deposits for now. So we're going to show you how to make a deposit at the outside of a Lloyds Bank cash machine, which is obviously at Morrison's, and we are at Morrison's in Grays for this. So I'm going to show you guys the ATM, and then we're going to show you what ATM you have to use. It has to be with the green colour, and it has to be with a horse, words that say cash out and in. So yeah, so we're going to show you guys. So let's head right now. So we're going to head over to Morrison's Grays, and we're going to show you guys in action. So here I am at Morrison's, and we're going to be using this Lloyds Bank cash machine here to make our deposit. So we're going to show you how to use it, and then we're going to be showing you how to make a deposit here, and we're going to show you what card you have to use. So this is basically the Lloyds Bank cash machine you have to use. You could use. There are some around there somewhere, but find where you got the Lloyds Bank logo with cash in and cash out. This is the card I'm using. This is my Lloyds one. Any bank cards will work as well for deposits, unless if it's a Lloyds Bank branch, you do have to use a Lloyds Bank card. So let's get started. We're going to insert the card here. Enter our PIN, obviously. Make sure no one's watching. And then we've got an option where it says cash balance, PIN balance, cash withdraw, change PIN and PIN unlock, and balance on screen and deposit. We're going to hit deposit. And then we're going to enter amount. So we have this nice shiny £10 note right here I can do here. So we're going to type in £10 and I'm going to hit confirm. And then we insert the money like that, facing up like that, and obviously you put it like that, and then it should take it in for you, just like that. And then it will process the notes. You have to wait for a minute, of course, and then you have to confirm that. So you're going to have they are correct. So we're going to hit confirm deposit. It's a shame you can't make a cheque deposit, because there's a part of a cheque, but can't make a cheque deposit on this one. You can only deposit a cash deposit on that one. Unlike Nationwide and Santander. Take your receipt and take your card. Nice and straightforward. So to recap, you put your Lloyds Bank card in, any bank cards will do, and then you basically enter your PIN, of course, then you tap deposit, then enter the amount that you're depositing, and then tap on deposit, and then you obviously basically insert the cash that I've shown you earlier on, and then it will count the cash, and then obviously confirm the amount is correct, then tap confirm deposit, then take your receipt and your card, and then you're good to go. You got money in your account. As simple as that. You do not have to wait a single thing. So that's how to make a deposit outside of a Lloyds Bank cash machine, which is obviously at Morrison's in Grays, like mentioned earlier on. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification on so you never miss out on what's new. Thanks for watching. My name is Jake. This is Skyline Game Fan. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.